This is a Citroen DS3 2005 model 1.6 HDI engine. Basically, this client has bought this vehicle from a supposed car dealer, and it's got an EGR issue and a few other problems. I'm here to resolve the EGR issue for the client. This is how bad the carbon build-up is. So we're just halfway through the first stage of a 3-stage clean process here. We'll come back later on. We're now halfway through the second and third stage. That's the hydrogen and the injector cleaner. We've had a bit of a downpour in the last 20 minutes. So basically it's washed away all the ash on the floor. I'm just going to show you what it's revving like now. So there's still a little bit to come out, but that'll all go away with a drive. The customer's now going to take the vehicle for a drive, or will do, when I've disconnected the machine and put it back together. We'll hear from her when she gets back. So it's now being taken for a quick run. Hopefully, as she pulls away, you can see no smoke. And here she comes back. So let's see what the customer has to say. Oh yeah, how does it feel?
A lot better actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, not as sluggish. Certainly when I take it out, or took it out before, it felt a bit sluggish to get going, but I just opened it up a little bit, not thinking as much the engine. Lovely.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.